Hey Samsung users, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are unlocking 5 hidden features on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G that you probably didn't know existed. These tips will make your phone experience faster, smarter and cooler, so let's jump in. Feature 1. Hidden lock for apps. If you want to lock apps like WhatsApp or Gallery without any third-party app, go to your settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy. Scroll down and tap on more security settings and go to secure folder. Here you'll need to agree and sign in with your Samsung account. Tap on lock type and set your lock method. For now, I'll go with some pin. Once done, tap continue. Enter the pin again to confirm it. Now go back and open the secure folder app, which will now be visible in your app drawer. Then tap the plus icon and select the apps you want to lock, like WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. I'll go with Cam Scanner for now and tap Add. Now these apps will only open from inside the secure folder and only after unlocking it. Second feature is one-handed mode. If you have got big phone but small hands, no problem. Go to settings, scroll down until you see the option called Advanced Features and tap on it and toggle on one-handed mode. Now tap on it. And here, choose the gesture. Swipe down from the center or double tap home to shrink the screen. This is super helpful for one-hand use. Third feature is edge panels. This lets you swipe from the side of the screen to quickly access apps, contacts, clipboards, and tools. For that, go to settings. Scroll down until you see the option called display and tap on it. Scroll down and locate the option called edge panels and toggle on the button. Tap on it. Go to panels. And here you can actually customize the panels. It's like a hidden drawer full of shortcuts. Fourth feature is device care automation. This feature keeps your phone fast and smooth automatically. For that, go to settings. Scroll down until you see the option called device care. Tap on it. Scroll down, tap on auto optimization and set it to auto restart at night or close background apps. You'll never need to manually clean your RAM or kill apps again. Fifth and last feature is hidden file cleaner. Your Galaxy A16 5G has a built-in junk file cleaner. No need for third-party apps. For that, go to settings. Again, locate the option called device care and tap on it. Tap optimize now. It will remove unnecessary background apps, cache files and free up memory. You can also tap storage to clean up large or duplicate files. Super handy when your phone starts lagging. And those were the top 5 hidden features on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more Samsung tips and mobile tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.